Hey there. Just one more quick video for you on using the different tenses in English just to get some extra practice in. Now, what I've done here on the right side, I've written down the five verb forms that we can choose from. So the present simple, the present continuous, the past simple, the past continuous, and the future, and also how to make them, how to form them here. The full verb plus the s, to be plus the verb, werkwoord plus ing, the werkwoord plus ed, the verb plus ed, was were plus werkwoord plus ing, and then to be plus going to. Now, I'm just going to let you read the sentences, and then you can determine or decide which one should get which verb form. So there are 5 sentences in total, so we'll get each one once. If you look at the first one, it says, I, a movie last night. The second one, she, to him right now. The third one, they always. They're on Fridays, with the verb to go that you have to fill in. Then the fourth one, next week, we, to New York. And number 5, while I play game, I heard something strange. Now, what you should notice is that when you do an exercise like this, is check the time expressions. So here, look, it says last night. Here it says right now. In number 3, what do you notice? Okay, so you notice on Fridays, to make sure you know that's capitalized Fridays, but there's always also the word always here. Then here, number 4, we get next week. And number 5 is a little hard though. Well, you can see that here heard is the past, so the sentence must be in the past. And then we have the word while here, terwijl. Okay. This one is a bit harder than the others, perhaps. Okay, if you look at the first one, it says, I, and then watch a movie last night. So it says last night, so what do we do? Last night, so it's the past, so you have to choose. Is it something that really happened, that's done, or is it something that was happening in the past? Now, in this case, it clearly is something that's done, right? You went to the cinema, you went there together, and then you watched. So the answer here would be watched. Okay, so we've got this one. Then number 2, it says she talked to him right now. Right now, it's occurring right now. Remember how we talked about when something is going on right now, we use a continuous in ing form. It's happening right now. So if we go here, it says right now, which also means the present, right? It's now, so it's happening now. So we go to the present and then we use continuous. So we use this one, to be plus werkwoord plus ing. So we go to be, she, then we go she is, and then we get the werkwoord, so that's talking, and I think that's it, plus the ing. Yeah, so she is talking to him right now, so we got that one covered. Then we have the third one, they're on Fridays. That's something they always do. So it's a fact, it's a habit, een feit of een gewoonte. They always do this. And we talked about in the other video as well, that's when you use the present simple. So we go the full verb, sometimes plus s with he, she, and it. So we have to check, is there he, she, and it as the subject? Nope. So we can just go, they always go. They're on Fridays. Then we have number 4, next week. Next week. So it's next week, so that must be in the future. Yes, that's the future. So we go future, to be plus going to. Then we go next week, we to be, we are. So we are. And then going to, we are going to. And then travel. We are going to travel to NY, New York. And then number 5, we've got one left, so we can tick this one. And I forgot, no, we ticked the other ones as well, yes. Then the last one, that should be the past continuous, something that was happening in the past. And then something else happens, it kind of interrupts all that. So we get to go, wow. So this is kind of something that really takes a little longer to play a game. So here we go, while I was doing something. So while I look at the past continuous, it says was or were, you have to choose. Yeah, so here we go. What does it go? While I, is it was or were? I were, I was. So you say I was. So you go, while I was playing a game, I heard something strange, so it was interrupted while you were playing the game. Okay, so I hope this is a little helpful. So these are the tenses that you can go look at. So the future is something that we haven't really discussed in class as much. So try really to to look at that, but your focus really should be on the first four. But it's always good to also keep that future in mind. And also don't forget to watch the swamped video as well. Remember the subject, verb, object, matter, place, and time that we also discussed in class. All right, good luck preparing for your test. Bye bye.